Hello everyone, welcome back to ZA Tutor Academy. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how I created this professional YouTube thumbnail face editing design in Photoshop. If you want to improve your thumbnail quality and make your face stand out, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, I will create the background. Go to File, click on Place Embedded and open your background image. After placing it, go to Filter and open Camera Raw Filter. Here, adjust the effects. Then move to the color mixer and enhance the tones. Adjust the lighting according to your design style and press OK. Now I will apply motion blur to the background to create depth and focus on the subject. Next, go to File again and place embedded a red texture image. Change the blend mode to soft light to give it a dramatic look. Then again, go to Filter, open Camera Raw Filter and adjust the effects and lighting to enhance the texture. Now create a solid color layer using red. And change its blend mode to soft light. This will add more intensity to the background. Go to File and open the man image. Now let's work on the main subject. Select the Object Selection tool and select the subject. Click on Select a Mask to refine the selection. Carefully refine the hair and edges to get a clean cutout. Once done, press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer. Now take the Spot Healing Brush tool and remove pimples or unwanted spots from the face to make the skin clean. Next, go to Filter and open Camera Raw Filter again. Adjust the lighting. Next, Colors. Next, Effects. Next, and Color Mixer to make the face look sharp and attractive. Now I will change the shirt color. Again, open Camera Raw Filter and adjust the colors to make the shirt blue. Then create a clipping mask with the previous layer. Hold Alt and click on the layer mask. Take the brush tool and carefully paint over the shirt to apply the blue color effect. Now add hue/saturation and fine-tune the color balance. Press Ctrl+G to group the layers, Ctrl+J to duplicate, and Ctrl+E to merge. Use the remover tool to clean any rough edges around the subject so it looks more realistic. Now I will add the text "enough." I'm skipping detailed text styling because it's simple and would make the video too long. Add a drop shadow to the subject layer to create separation from the background. To darken specific areas and make the thumbnail more dramatic. Now add a watch PNG . And a question mark PNG to make the thumbnail more engaging. Finally, add another hue/saturation layer to enhance the overall look. Create a new layer, take a soft brush tool, and gently paint dark edges to create a subtle vintage vignette effect. And this is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to ZA Tutor Academy. I will see you in the next video.